Alright, we got a whole operation here. Next up, oh, here's the old bushing. This was actually kind of hard to push out, but I got it out. You can see I was banging away at it with a hammer. This is the small bushing. You can see here I drilled the ends off, the flanges of the bushing I had to cut off. I used this to cut the bushings, the flange bushings off, the flange on the bushings off, just to get, so I could push it through this thing right here. All right, so now I'm working on pushing this bushing in here, and I had to get a longer 8-inch bolt because all the ones I didn't have weren't long enough to go through this whole assembly. So I just came back from Home Depot. I'm basically gonna hold this side and zap that side and try and push this in here. Let's go. Hold on. 19. Here we go. Make sure that's in the back. There we go. Got it in. That is beautiful. Love it. There's that one. There's that one.